electric rafters. Wanna brush some hair? I usually make a real thing into miniature, but today is a reverse. I'm gonna make a life-size Barbie hairbrush for you. Yes, it's for you. Of course, I got this idea from a scene in Barbie movie. So, do you like the movie? Let's get started. First, let's make the pattern using any kind of paper. No printable pattern. I'm sure you can draw it yourself. Just do trial and error till you're happy with it. And then trace the pattern on a cardboard and cut it. Make 2 of them. And also you need to cut some pieces of cardboard like this. And remember, this is the direction of the cardboard texture, so you can do this. So, this piece will follow the shape of the brush, like this. We're going to glue it like this. This is how I create the thickness of the brush. But there's another way. You can also stack the cardboard into the thickness you like. Okay, let's glue them all together using hot glue. So this is what I do. I add a little structure inside and put the glue all on them and glue them together like this. This is going to make it stay in shape. Now let's continue to make another pattern to make the bristles. So I make this pattern. Yours doesn't have to be the same. You can create your own and trace it to a piece of styrofoam. I hope it's a recycled one. And as the bristle, I'm using 7 centimeters wooden dowel like this. But maybe you can also use a chopped chopstick. So it's gonna be like this. Everything has to be in order. Let's trace it using a sharp pencil. And here it is. Let's try to put it in. If it doesn't fit, just make the hole bigger using the pencil. And it's gonna be like this later. So yes, you have to make it like this to all of the dots. And stick it to the brush like this. And of course, I'm gonna put the glue before I put it in. Like this. Yes, do it one by one, patiently. And here it is, my basic shape of the brush. No wiggling bristle. Looking good. Let's continue to the finishing. We need to cover the ugly texture of the styrofoam and the cardboard using any kind of paper. You can stick them together whether using hot glue or white glue. Of course, I've already measured the width first. And here's my result using hot glue, and of course it's hard to be perfect. If you find any gap between papers, just fill it with another hot glue, like this. Next, I'm going to add a little texture as decoration because I think it's too plain. You can trace it from any printable pattern you like or just draw it right to the cardboard like this. And it's ready to be painted. As usual, I'm using acrylic paint. So, I decided not to paint the bristles area because it's too tricky to be painted. So, I'm just gonna leave it this way. And after 2 layers of paint dried already, I'm going to continue to add the glitter one. It's a kind of transparent glitter paint and it's not gonna cover the pink base color underneath. And here's the result. So you don't have to do the glitter thing if you like, even the texture, because basically it depends on your design. I think decoupage technique using printable image could be also cute. And about this bristles part, of course you can paint it if you'd like to really match it to the original Barbie brush. Maybe you'll find your own technique to do it. Just let me know in the comment. And the funny thing is, it really works! Let's bring it to the Barbie dream house. I hope you like the show, and don't forget to leave your comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in my other show. Bye!